In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost content in Hootsuite. Reposting is a simple way to extend the life of content that performed well or to remind your audience of something timely. Let's walk through the exact process, keeping it clear and efficient so you can do this with confidence. First, open Hootsuite and head to the area where your content lives. Most often, you'll go to streams to view posts from your connected social accounts, but you can also navigate directly to the specific content you want to reshare if you already know where it is. Give the page a second to load so you can see the latest items and make sure everything is synced. Next, locate the post you want to share again. This could be a high-performing update, an evergreen tip, or a timely reminder. Before you proceed, it's a good practice to confirm you have the right to repost the content, especially if it was originally created by someone else. If it's your own post, you're good to go. When you found the post, click the option to repost, reshare, or compose. The exact label can vary by network and layout, but you'll typically see a resharing icon or a compose button that pulls the original content into a new message window. The goal is simply to start a new post using the existing content as your base. Now, edit the caption or add your own text if needed. Keep the core message, but consider refreshing the angle so it feels timely. You might adjust the wording, update a call to action, or tweak hashtags to match current trends. Be mindful of each platform's character limits and formatting, and double-check links so they still work. If the original caption included old dates or references, bring them up to date. Choose the social profile where you want this repost to appear. If you manage multiple accounts, verify you've selected the correct profile or profiles so the message reaches the intended audience. Take a moment to review previews since the same post can look slightly different on each network. Finally, decide whether to schedule or publish the repost. If timing matters, set a date and time that aligns with your audience's peak activity. If it's relevant right now, publish immediately. Before you hit confirm, scan everything one last time. Caption, links, selected profiles, and timing, then schedule or send it live. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly extend the reach of your best content in Hootsuite while keeping your messaging fresh and on brand.